Hello friends, today we will describe about pH scale. You'll see here, these are pH papers, you see, these are pH papers and it is given as 7, 6, 5, 3, 1, it is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 14. Here you see, these are pH papers and it is written as 7, 6, 5, 3, 1 and down 8, 9, 10, 12 and 14. Here you also see the pH values are 7, 6, 5, 3, 1 and 8, 9, 10, 12, 14. These are pH papers. First of all, the first question is, what is the full form of pH? The full form of pH is potential of hydrogen. Potential of hydrogen, and it can be measured as the amount of hydrogen ion concentration in a solution. Now we will learn about what is pH and why it is important for us. pH is used to measure the basicity and acidity of a solution. The amount of hydrogen ion concentration in a solution determines its pH. Now, how we can find the various pH values? The pH of a solution varies from 0 to 14. Solutions having a value of pH ranging from 0 to 7 on the pH scale are termed as acidic, and the value of pH ranging from 7 to 14 on pH scale are known as basic solutions. Solutions having the value of pH equal to 7 on pH scale are known as neutral solutions. In this way, we define or vary variations of pH values. Here you see this 7 color of 7. Here you see the color of 7 is nearly green, light green. That means this color, light green, shows that the solution is neutral. But greater than 7, less than 7, that is 6, 5, 3, 1. These are acidic solutions. And solutions having pH value greater than 7, that is 8, 9, 10, 12 and 14 are basic solutions. Okay. Now, we'll learn what is the formula for pH. pH is described as the negative of the logarithm of the molar hydrogen ion concentration. pH is expressed as pH is equal to minus log of concentration of H3O plus ion. That means we can write the value of pH as, you see here, we can write the value of pH as pH is equal to minus log of concentration of H3O plus ion, or it can also be expressed as minus log concentration of H plus. In this way, we get the value of pH. And with the pH paper, we can compare the color of the solutions to find whether the solution is neutral, whether the solution is acidic, or whether the solution is basic. Not only that, you can also find, comparing the colors, how much it is acidic and how much the solution is basic. You see, if the color matches with the color of the 7, then the solution is neutral. If the color matches with 6, then the solution is acidic. but weak acidic. 5 also weak. But the color of 3, that is red, that is it is strong acid. And it is 1, it is very much strong acid. Here also you see greater than 8, that means the solution is basic or alkaline. 9, much more alkaline than 8. 10, more alkaline, more basic than 10, than 9. 12, if the solution, if the stick changes the color as 12, then it is more basic. And if it is 14, then the solution is highly basic. Right? In this way, it varies from 0 to 14. Right? The pH value 0 varies from 0 to 14. That means if the pH value is from 0 to 7, it is acidic, but 7 is neutral, and 8 to 14 we consider as basic solution, and 6 to 1 we consider as acidic solution, and 7 is neutral. We compare the color of this pH paper with the solution, and if the solution matches with the number given, then you can say how much it is acidic or how much it is basic, or whether the solution is neither acidic or basic, that is neutral. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.